good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carrie. If you're new here, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back, boo. Let's go and get it poppin'. All right, y'all, so today is a different type of video. I'm gonna share a little bit of my little tea, my little information to help you make a little bit of money. So this video is basically the basics on how to make some money on YouTube if you have a fresh new channel and you have no idea how to make money. If you've been on YouTube for a while, you don't have a brand new channel and you're just figuring out how can I make some money on YouTube. If you're somebody who's been on here for a very long time and you're seasoned, but you still want to know how to make money on YouTube, I'm basically just going to give you a little bit of ideas and stuff that I use to kind of make a little bit of change on here. Now we're going to go ahead. I got 5 things to tell y'all. I'm not going to go too deep in each one. I'm just going to let you know what it is and how to do it. If you guys want me to go deeper into one of the 5, definitely let me know in the comment section below and I will make a separate video for it. But for the sake of the video not being so long and you being like, okay girl, you talk a little too much, we're not gonna go too deep in each one right now. I'm just gonna let y'all know what it is, okay? Y'all let me know which one y'all want me to do next. So let's go ahead. So the first thing is monetization. So if you have a YouTube channel, everybody wants to be monetized because when you're monetized, that means you can get ads on your channel. When you get ads on your videos on your channel, that means you make a little bit of money. Now, first of all, you do have to meet certain requirements that YouTube does have. So definitely look at that information in your settings in your YouTube studio so you can know what those are. If I'm not mistaken, I believe you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and also a certain amount of watch time hours. I would just say once you meet that 1,000 subscriber mark, that's one thing off your list. But also going live often. If you do lives, that would help you with your watch time hours because you're live, so it's going to be more watch time hours versus just videos being dropped, little 10-minute video, little 5-minute video, if that makes sense. So definitely practice both of those if you're trying to do the monetization. Yes, that will give you a monthly check from YouTube, depending if you meet the threshold, which you have to make at least $100 or above to get a check every month from them. If not, it would just accumulate until you get that $100 and then you get your money. I would say monetization, in my opinion, is not the biggest way to make money on YouTube. Everyone thinks like, oh, you got a monetized video, you're gonna make all this money. You don't make that much money with monetized videos, depending on how big your channel is or not. It just depends on the size of your channel and how much people are viewing your videos. However, there are some other great ways to make money on YouTube, which is the second one I'm going to bring up, which I feel like is great. Sponsored videos, which whether it's an entire dedicated video, whether it's a mention or a shout out of a product or service for a specific brand or company, that's going to be a great way to make money on YouTube. Now, in most cases, you have brands reaching out to you directly in your DMs or your emails saying, hey, love your channel, love what you do. We want you to do a video for us. Whether it's dedicated, if you're going to be doing a dedicated video, I would say charge more than you would for a shout out or a mention, which a shout out or a mention is just going to be maybe you talk about it just a little bit, maybe the first 2 minutes of the video or something like that. I've done a lot of dedicated videos, a lot of them on my channel, which most of them are hair videos, but I've also did like a small mention in my video for Dossier, which is a perfume. And for Italian jewelry, I did for Italian jewelry dedicated videos and a little mention in the beginning of my video. So the dedicated video speaks for itself. It's going to be the whole video is about that product or service, where the shout outs or mentions is going to be a specific portion. They'll say like, hey, the first 2 minutes of your video. Where I recently did one with Italian jewelry for Mother's Day. They didn't give me any new product, but I used some of the product that I already had, the jewelry from them, gave you guys a little close up so you can see it. And I basically let you guys know that they were having a Mother's Day sale. So if you wanted to get something cute for your mom, go ahead and check it out. So that's something like a little mention. You can make money both ways. I'm also going to say, do not limit yourself and wait for your emails and DMs to blow up. You can reach out to companies that you feel like would go great on your channel as well and get you some sponsored videos. commission, okay? So let's say you frequently use a product or service. Maybe, I don't know, it doesn't have to be beauty. You know, I'm mainly a beauty channel with a little bit of lifestyle, but it could be anything. You use a product often, or you use a service often, and it's frequently used or advertised in your video. You can always reach out to that brand or company and say, hey, you know, I use this a lot in my videos and stuff like that. Do you guys have an affiliate program that I can sign up for? So that way, you know, I can make a little bit of money because I stay promoting your stuff. In most cases, they're going to say yes because you're promoting their stuff often and it's not hurting them. And they probably want you to continue doing that. Also, you can, you know, or you can say, hey, you know, I promote it a lot, yada, yada, yada. Do you have this affiliate program? Same thing, but also try to get yourself a promo code, like specialize in your name or something. Most of my promo codes are Carrie or has something with my name Carrie in it, because that way it's not just beneficial to you, it's beneficial to your audience as well, which they will appreciate, because whenever every time someone uses your code, you will get some commission, but also they will get some money off. You know what I'm saying? Where 15% off, 10% off, 25% off, something like that. So definitely don't be afraid to reach out to companies. Let's also, I also want to bring up, if it's not like a specific company, it's just a brand or service you always use, they don't answer, they don't reply. There are places that you can go to, third-party places, where you can sign up for yourself, and somebody say, hey, cute shirt, where'd you get it from? Oh, I got my shirt from blah, 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 blah. Here's the link. Go get it. But you will sign up with that affiliate link. You will put your link in that. I don't want to go too deep. There are third-party affiliate links that you can use and utilize for people to also purchase things that you are probably showcasing in your videos, where you will make a little commission off of it. So you don't have to go through the company if you can't or if you don't want to. All of that information will be linked in the description box below. So I will put some of those third parties that you can use. Amazon is one of the main ones. A lot of people use Amazon because a lot of people shop on Amazon. If you're using products that you bought from Amazon a lot, you can sign up for their affiliate program too if you're eligible. So definitely make sure you are trying to sign up for affiliates programs and stuff like that. But not only signing up, you have to be putting these links in the description box, so that way people can look for the products or services that you're mentioning often or using in that video that day, so they can just click on it and get straight there. If a purchase is made, you make some money. If they use a promo code, you make some money and they save some money. So it's a win-win. So the fourth one is going to be referral programs. And I really like this one because I don't see a lot of people using it or doing it, and y'all tripping, because I'm an online shopper. I love to get my shop on. So I don't know if you guys know, but like Ebates, for example, when you shop with Ebates online, in most stores, you get some cash back, and your cash back balance adds up. And then like every 3 months, they'll give you a real money, either a check in the mail or through your PayPal, $50, $100, depending on how much you shop. You get cash back. So even for Ebates, which is now called Rakuten, I have a referral link for that as well. That is linked in my description box. So if you guys are shopping online, in most cases we are, because you're on YouTube and this is online, use my link. Go and use my Ebates link if you didn't sign up already. That way, when you sign up with my link, you'll get $20 already cash back. And then when you start doing your own shopping, more money will accumulate. So stuff like that. I also have something in there from Chase Bank. If you sign up with Chase Bank using my referral link, you'll get actual cash bonus. I'll get a little bit of bonus as well. Mercari is where I host most of my wig sales. If you sign up using my affiliate link, you will get like a $10 credit, maybe 20, I'm not sure, where you could buy stuff on Mercari. Listen, y'all have to use referrals, okay? If it's places that you use often, you might as well put it down in the description box. Always in all my videos, it says take advantage, because it's not just beneficial to me, it's also beneficial to you. That's what I love about referral programs. When you refer someone, you get something, but they get something too. And people really do appreciate that. I know I do. I sign up, I'm like, girl, I done got $20 off. So definitely use referral links, and it doesn't necessarily have to be related to the product or service that you're talking about in your video. It can be anything, because people use banks, people shop for shoes, Shoe Dazzle. I have a lot of stuff down there in the description box. Your description box is going to be your best friend for your video. So this fifth one is kind of like a 5th/6th one, but I'm not going to talk too much on the 5th one, okay? Because it's not something that I do, but people ask for donations, you know, and I'm not talking about, hey, donate something to me on GoFundMe. More so like super chats and stickers and stuff like that. You can do that if you want to, if you are eligible to do so. Like if you're premiering or if you're live, people could kind of send you money. I send money. I'm a sender. So if somebody's doing live, it's fun, it's entertaining, I like your channel, I want to support you, I might shoot you a little $5, maybe $20, maybe $10, but I do that. But I personally would never ask a subscriber or a viewer, donate some money for my channel, y'all. I don't do that because to me, that's not for me. That's not for me. But what you can do, which I feel like is giving them something versus just you all taking, is creating some merchandise. So, for example, I did have some t-shirts that I used to sell on my channel a couple of years ago. I stopped because I wanted to create a new look on the t-shirt, but I just never got back to it. Okay, we're gonna get off that topic. But anyways, you can create merchandise. They have a place like Ooh Shirts and Teespring. There are places where you can create merchandise for your audience. So let's say you say something often with them. You be like, hey girl, you know what it is? You know what I'm saying? Or like, I don't know. You guys might have a slogan or something that you say often and they know what you're about to say because you say it so often. Maybe I have a certain lingo. Put it on the shirt, put it on the hat, put it on something, but give to your audience and subscribers. So that way it's not more so of a donation. It's like, okay, you're buying something from me, but you're also getting a product. I feel like that is a great thing because I don't want to just take from my audience. I don't want to take from you guys. But if I had a merchandise, yes, okay, cool. Support me, support my channel. You can buy my merchandise. I can use the money to buy more wigs or whatever I need to buy to create more content. But at the same time, you're going to be getting something too. And that's what I like is merchandise. Because it's more so like give and take. I give, you take, I take, you give. You know what I'm saying? So that option is always something you guys can do. You don't have to be a designer to do it. There are places you can go online and just make something cute and quick for your peoples. So take advantage. But all of this information for everything I just provided to you guys is definitely going to be linked in the description box below, just in case I talk too fast so you can catch something. But like I said at the beginning of the video, if you guys want me to touch more on one specific thing, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to do so. Like, I don't know, you say, hey, could you dig a little bit more deep on what you're talking about with commissions? Like, tell me exactly what you do, where you go, how you do. I will break it down for you and let you know. But I didn't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to kind of make it straight to the point so you guys can understand. There are many ways to make money on YouTube besides just monetization. Okay, but if you want it, you have to work to do it, y'all. You know, even like with the sponsorships, everybody's not going to DM you, but you can definitely DM or email companies and brands too. So you got to work for what you want. But we definitely gonna make some money 2021. Okay, 2021 is entrepreneurship all year. This is what we do. This is what our generation does. So hopefully this video was super helpful to somebody. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video on up. And comment down below, let me know if this video was useful for you, if it was helpful, if you want me to talk about something else, okay? I will see you in my next video. Good luck on your YouTube money making journey. I'll see you later. And say that you're not able to be loved. That's not right. No, I don't wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you.